In forex trading, we have three types of market on the trading view chart: the uptrend, the downtrend, and the consolidation. Now let me show you one by one. This is a bullish trend. You can call it a bullish trend or an uptrend. What is an uptrend? An uptrend happens when the price consistently creating higher highs and higher lows, higher high and higher low. Why are they called higher highs and higher low? When the price go up to create higher high, comes down to create higher low, goes up again, higher high, comes down, higher low, higher high, higher low, and higher high. So they are called higher highs and higher low because this high is higher than this previous high, and this high is again higher than this previous high. This higher low is higher than this previous higher low, and this higher low is higher than this previous higher low. That's why they are called higher highs and higher low. So let me show you one important thing, guys. This is called a break of structure. This is called a break of structure. Why are they called break of structure? It is because when the price go up and break through this previous high, when the price go up and break through the significant high, this becomes a break of structure. A break of structure. Come back, goes up again and break another significant high or higher high. This becomes another break of structure. Come back, goes up and break another higher high. This becomes another break of structure. That is it, guys. And when price go up, it will come back and retest this previous higher low, goes up again, come back to retest this previous higher low, and then continue going up, creating higher highs and higher low. So in this case, we have to buy. When the price is going up, we only want to buy. Where do we buy at? We buy at the fresh higher low. Where is our fresh higher low? This is our fresh higher low. This is our fresh higher low. So we wait for price to come back to retest our fresh higher low. When price come back and we test our fresh higher low, we get the confirmation, we enter, we place our stop loss below the higher low, and then target this higher high, because we are expecting the price to continue going up, creating higher highs and higher low, just like that. Now let me show you a bearish downtrend. This is a bearish downtrend. You can call it bearish trend or downtrend. What is a downtrend? A downtrend happens when the price is consistently creating lower low and lower highs. Lower low and lower highs. Why are they called lower low and lower highs? When the price it comes down to create lower low, goes up to create lower highs, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and lower low. So when the price, they are called lower low and lower highs because this low is lower than this previous low. And this low is again lower than this previous lower low. And again it is lower than this previous lower low. This lower high is lower than this previous lower high. And again, it is lower than this previous lower highs. That's why they are called lower low and lower highs. So it happens like the way I showed you in an uptrend. So when the price comes down, goes up, comes down, and break through this significant low or lower low, this becomes a breakout structure. It becomes a breakout structure, goes up again to retest this lower high, comes down. When it breaks this lower low, this becomes another breakout structure, just like this. Yeah, the breakout structure. So now, in this case, we want to sell. We want to look for sell positions. Where do we sell at? We sell at the fresh lower high. We sell at the fresh lower high. Where is the fresh lower high? This is our fresh lower high. This is our fresh lower high. So we have to be patient enough, wait for price. When the price come and reaches your lower high, get the confirmation, enter, press your stop loss above the lower high and target this lower low, because we are expecting the price to come and continue creating lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. The market we have here is called range or consolidation. What is a range? A range happens when price goes sideways. When it is going sideways without a clear trend. Not bullish, not bearish, but sideways. You can't buy here, you can't sell here. Why? The price is going sideways. When you try to sell here, the price can stop you out immediately. When you try to buy here, the price can stop you out immediately. So when you see this type of market on the chart, don't trade. Stop it for the day. Wait for the next day. Now let me show you what I have showed here on the trading view chart. Now this is an example of a bullish uptrend. When the price is consistently going up, creating higher highs and higher low, we have to look for buy positions. Just like here, the price goes up, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and higher high. So in this case, this is our higher low. This is our higher low. We want to wait for price to come back. We want to wait for price to come back to retest this higher low. When the price retests this higher low, we enter, but we enter after getting confirmation. We don't enter without a confirmation, guys. So let us wait for price to come back and retest our higher low. Let us just wait and see. Now, when the price comes back, don't just enter immediately. You have to wait for a good confirmation. For a good confirmation before you enter. When the price comes back, get the confirmation. Don't enter immediately. First get the confirmation. Now, this is the confirmation we want, guys. You know why? Because this is a bullish engulfing candlestick, the big green candlestick that confirms to us that price is now continuing going up after retesting our higher low. Here you can enter for a long position. For a buy, your stop loss must be below this higher low or the swing low. You can press it here and you take profit. Make sure you press your take profit at the right place. Always the right place is here, because this is the recent higher high. The recent higher high 1 to 2.62 risk to reward ratio trade. So you have to just be patient to wait for the price to hit your TP. Simple, very simple. Here is a downtrend example. This is a bearish downtrend example. The price is consistently going down, creating lower low and lower highs. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and lower low. And here, this is our fresh lower high. This is our fresh lower high, and we have to sell at the fresh lower high. What do we do here? We have to wait for price to make a pullback to test our fresh lower high. We get the confirmation, we enter. Now, the price has reached our fresh lower high. Do we enter here? No, we don't enter, because we don't have any confirmation to confirm to us that price is now going back down. So you have to be patient. So guys, what do you see here? Now, this is very important. Here you can enter for a sell position. You can enter because you have this selling pressure. Always don't press your stop loss here, because when you press your stop loss here, price can even reverse and take you out and then continue going down. So be careful. Always you must press your stop loss above your key level, your lower high, not key level, because here we trade market structure. So yeah, your lower high, this is the lower high, and your take profit, you can press your take profit here, because we have the lower low here. But again, we have another one here. So your first take profit, you can press it here. You can divide into two positions. Your first take profit, you can press it here. Then another one, you press it here. Here. Yeah. And what do? We just want to wait for price to hit our TP. Absolutely. Now, this is the type of market that we don't trade. It is called range or consolidation. It is very complicated. It is manipulated. We don't trade it because when you try to enter, maybe you are trying to enter for a sell here, the price will stop you out immediately before hitting your take profit. If you want to try to enter for a buy, for example, you enter for a buy here, you press your stop loss below here, the price will stop you out before even reaching your take profit. So when you see this type of market, guys, this type of market, stay away from your chart. Close your laptop, do something else, leave your chart. So that is it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to share with your friend who wants to master market structure, and let us meet in another video.